Good morning, my friends. I want to show you this morning what I did here. I tried to make a bottle cutter, but what I did is like I put down a piece of wood, and then I put this little caster on here, made a bracket with a threaded rod, and then I can just adjust the size here, and then I put a glass cutter here in the point here. If I can show you now. You just focus here a little bit more. See, this is one of the front pieces of the glass cutter. So I just maneuver in the front there. But we never had like success with these bottle cutters in the past. So I don't know. It's just you must have a special skill to cut the glass once. I believe you must only cut it once, and don't make like a look like a train track, like two things parallel. It must be exactly one line, and then you just heat it with something, or you put a little string around it and with paraffin make it hot, and then you cool it off in water, then it cracks. But maybe you guys would know. See, this is just the end to stop it from going any further. Let's just try it. I don't know. Let's just I'm gonna just put some pressure on here. So this thing is a bit flimsy. We must just fasten this thing here, and then we can start put some see, you must put some pressure on here to get the little line there exactly. But this is a bit difficult. Maybe we need a better point. If maybe one of you can give me some more hints how to exactly make the proper cut here, it will be nice. But this is a nice example of to make something like this. You must just maybe put a point or something in here to the bottle, but all the bottle sizes is not the same. So let's just see, maybe turn it around and put some more pressure on here. This is maybe this is what I was talking about. Is this is gonna be a mess now. So this thing must just be steady to cut this, and then you must heat it with something, and then it will break. But I think we must first sort out this flimsiness of this thing. Maybe put a little bush inside there just to make this more steady, and then this will be more steady. There's also another model I made. It looks like this. Let me just show you. This is just little I welded this thing in. There's another bottle cutter, and it just has a guide that you can move up and down. But this goes like this. You put it in there, so it guides there, and then you see what's happening here. Then you can go and cut. Maybe this one will be much more steady. I think this model maybe works better than this one. Look how nice is that line. But I don't know what they do. You take a piece of thing, and then you heat it with something, and then it will crack. But I think you must heat it up or something. Okay, this is just my thought of a jig to make a proper bottle cutter. If you maybe need some info, make your own one. Okay, till next time. Cheers.